Today I will be introducing to you functions that you can use in Excel. I will show you how to use these functions, what they are used for, and give you examples to use for your own experience. There are 5 Excel functions that we will be covering today. The first one is sum, second one is average, the third is max, min, and count. If you would like to go along and follow, open a fresh sheet and it should look like this. Then you will follow along as I show you how to use these functions in a grade sheet. The first function we will be going over is average. In Excel, we use the average function to calculate the total average of the sheet or numbers you have plugged in. In Excel, we want to find the average of your homework, classwork, and tests. But to do that, we will be using the function equals average parentheses C2 to G2 close parentheses. The next function we will be going over is the sum function. We use the sum function to calculate the total sum of the average. The function for sum we will be using for practice is equals sum, open parentheses, I2 to I6, close parentheses. The next function that we will be using is called the count function. The count function helps you get the correct amount of numbers when you in the highlighted area. Function that we will be using for count is equals count, open parentheses, B2 to G5, close parentheses. Lastly, the function that can give you the highest and lowest value in Excel is the min and max functions. These two functions allow you to get the highest or the lowest value from the whole sheet within seconds. The max function that we are using is the equal max, open parentheses, E5 to G2, close parentheses. From that, the highest value is 100. If we switch it to find the lowest value, we will be using the equal min, open parentheses, E5 to G2. Now close the parentheses. This will give you the lowest value, which is 45. In conclusion, the whole point of these functions are to help make your experience of using Excel faster and easier. These functions help make it easier for students to track their grades and averages in any class. There are many more functions out there in Excel to discover, so why don't you go and give it a try?